Hello guys, welcome back to another video. It's your boy Bubba Certified. So today we're gonna be swapping exhaust on my bike. So yesterday I ended up going to the swap meet. I ended up finding me a DND pipe for my bike for 80 bucks. I couldn't believe it. Pipe is sitting right over there. So today I'm gonna do a little comparison with my Bassani shorty versus the DND. So we're gonna do a little cold start on the Bassani before I pull it off, just for a sound comparison. All right, so first things first, I'm gonna start off with pulling off this floorboard bolt to get the floorboard down. And after that, I can start pulling the exhaust off. All right, now that we got the floorboard down, now I can pull these two 1/2-inch screws off the back of the muffler, and then I can start pulling off the header pipe. All right, now that we got our old pipe off, we gotta just pull off this bracket right here that holds the old muffler on, held on by a quarter Allen. Yep, quarter Allen. Get that off, put the bolts back in there, torque it down, and be time to throw our DND on. All right, so I like torquing these screws down to 20 foot-pounds. I normally do that a little less because I don't know the condition of these threads sometimes. So it really calls for 25 foot-pounds, but at 20 you'd be straight. There we go. All torqued down. All right, so before we throw the new exhaust on, there's two things we gotta do. First order of business, get the old exhaust gaskets out, because the DNDs require a flat gasket like this. So that's the first order of business. Second order of business, these DND pipes are super heavy. So what I like doing is separating the head pipe from the muffler, and it takes a 10mm socket. So I'm gonna get these new exhaust gaskets put in, pull that muffler apart, then be ready to throw it on. All right, so now that we got the new exhaust gaskets in, now it's time to separate this pipe. All right, so now that we got our pipe and a manageable piece to put on, time to slap this puppy on. All right, so I got the header pipe on. It's kind of pain in the rear to get on, but it's on there. Now it's time to throw the muffler on. See how this puppy sound. All right, so we got the pipe on, all bolted up. Finna do a quick little fire up just to see how she sound, and after that, throw that floorboard back on. We in the game. Actually don't sound too bad. Running a low rig. Oh no. Alright, so I'm gonna get this floorboard screw in, and then I'm gonna take the bike for a spin and see what she does. Alright, so I just gotta hear this one more time before we end the video. So not gonna lie to y'all, I was actually quite surprised on how this pipe performed. Better than what I thought. So probably within the next few videos, I'm gonna get this damn bike dyno tuned by my boy Miguel at Lane Splitters. So I just gotta put a new set of clutches in, and then she'd be ready to get thrown on the dyno, see what she makes. Alright, so that pretty much wraps up today's video. So if you like today's video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and be back for more. Peace.